welcome to my channel. My name is Elisa and today I'm going to be showing you how to do very curly, kinky hair with some straws. I'm going to be using this very light thin straw, colored thin straw, plastic straw, and all you're going to need is into a little bun so it doesn't like disturb us. Cute. I'm gonna be putting on the whole chunk of hair just a little bit of this, which is Cantu, that I use for is a curler. Don't know if you, yep, that's it. Is a hair cream curler. It's actually like very good. It's quite natural. Right guys, so where we're gonna start from is this, the very top here. So I'm just gonna get like a little chunk, like, let me see how much I'm gonna get, like this much. What we're gonna do is get a straw, put it like this way, and then we're gonna make sure this part stays free because we have to like bend it over after. So we're gonna do this and push it, curl it all over the straw. It's gonna be a arm workout. Do this all the way. Make sure it's quite tight if you want a very curly, kinky hair. What you're gonna do first, you're going to close this up like that. So this one, you're gonna put the elastic band, the little rubber elastic band, on it like this. Make sure it's tight enough, and the next day you can just like cut it basically, so it's not gonna hurt your hair basically. Let me see if I can put it a bit tighter like that. Then you close this one up like this. Then you're gonna put another elastic band from the top, but you're gonna put it like higher up where you close the straw. If that makes sense. Like that, and this is what you're gonna get. A little hair straw. Right, so we're gonna keep doing the same thing with all the hair basically. this is kind of like what you will look after you done them all up. It took me about an hour and like 15 minutes, I'd say. But because it was the very first time I ever tried them, I'm gonna show you in a second how it's gonna come up like. 4 hours, or you can sleep on it. So yeah. So guys, I slept with all the straws in my head. It wasn't that comfortable, I'm not gonna lie, because they would keep poking my head. It was so annoying. But now we're going to take them out. So what you're gonna need is some scissors to cut the little hairband, and yeah, we're going to get them out now. It's gonna be a bit long. Some help. Yes, guys, I'm gonna ask this beautiful man to come and cut the little elastic band. Thank you. Because I can't do it because I haven't got a mirror right now, but if you have a mirror you should be able to do it yourself. Technically, you should be able to just slide them like that. Ooh. Guys, that is what it will look like. It's like very bouncy and curly. Ooh. Right, let's keep going. It's gonna be long. Right guys, so this is how they're gonna look like when you got them all out. I haven't combed them yet, so they're so tight that you can probably see, and they're so like bouncy as well. It's mad. Like, look at that, and the color looks cool. So yeah, this is what they're gonna look like. So we're gonna comb them a little bit because obviously you don't want to look like a sheep. I know. much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, like this video, and please keep following me because I'm gonna be posting so many more videos and also about dancing. So if you're a dancer, follow me on Instagram as well to see my pictures, to see my dance videos. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed and love you all. Thank you for watching. Mwah.